Pancha Prana, Prana Apana Udana Vyana Samana. It's been done by Pancha Mahabhuta, the earth and air and ether and fire and sky, and not even that. It's been done because of the Pancha Tanmatras, the Sabda, Sparsa, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, mind, intellectual, ego and consciousness. All together 29 subjects together makes you an axle in your action. But these 29 tattvas, they are helpless if there is no soul within themselves. So many lights, varieties of tubes and small light and big light and square light and round light. But if there is no electricity inside, what will happen? Sambandha yoga. Sambandha yoga is there. Draupadi was molested publicly, and Krishna becomes a Vastravatara. He becomes sari hai ki nari hai ki sari hai. He becomes a Vastra. Now there's so many girls are molested. Why Krishna is not coming? You can ask this question. Because Draupadi had a contact with a Krishna. These girls, they never even thought of the Krishna. You have a new bungalow and you have a water connection inside, but not connected from the municipal corporation. You open the tap, no water will come. You need a connection, Sambandha yoga. You have to have a connection with the Supreme, connection with the Self, connection with the Guru, connection with the society, connection with the whole world, what we see so. If we are disconnected, excellence won't come. Excellence need a total oneness with everything. I am not a separate identity, as I told you, denting of the eye. You denting of the eye and you become one with everything. One with everything, when your own eye is not there, everything is fine. As long as the own eye is there, the whole problem will come. Gurudev Tagore has wrote a Gitanjali. After writing a Gitanjali, he translated it also. When he translated it, he had a friend of him in Calcutta University. Mr. Andrews was the name. He called him. They were good friends. And he asked Andrews to please go through it. Andrews has seen everything. He says, if you don't mind, there are 4 points. The 4 words needs a bit check. Very good. What's that? These are. Gurudev had all faith in Andrews because he was very learned, scholarly, poet, philosopher, friends, and man of a character. So Gurudev has changed the 4 words in Gitanjali. Then Gitanjali was supposed to be selected for the Nobel Prize. Gurudev Tagore was invited in Western countries, and there in middle of some selected 20 poets, Gurudev Tagore started reading his poetries. He was in oneness. After reading everything, its name, its E-A-T-S, its name, a poet was there. He said, everything is fine, but I feel somewhere some words, they are hunting, hitting. It's disturbing the whole flow. Because when you sing the things, it's a flow, it's a beauty. It's as if the nectar is flowing from the... But in between we find something. कैसा है? वो खिचड़ी में, हलवा में एक कंकर आ गया. Let me see which are that. Rabindranath Tagore, the poet Tagore has given this small book to the 8s. And he, out of the 4, the 2 he has marked. This 2 I remember. Tagore said so. How you are able to? He says, your flow is wonderful, but this word doesn't belong to you. It's something hurting there. He said, yes. Then Tagore has brought his own words again. These are the words where they're actually. It's been replaced. Then it's looked. He says, doesn't matter. As per grammatical matter, this may be wrong. But as per flow, as per beauty, as per serenity, they are just repeating. So put them, remove this new one. Look here. Tagore's Gitanjali was given such a big prestigious award. And the 4 words was a problem. Why? Because originality was a Tagore. In between, Andrew's eye was there. Andrews become an obstacle in that. Where the Yeats said so. No. Your reality is your reality. When our reality is there as it is, no problem. But we create a problem by putting and adding our I. As long as this I is there, excellent won't go. Excellence you have to be, just keep I separate. Become a soft. Become a kind. Natural. Spontaneous. Eternity. Divinity. And then, the more and more you go to eternity and divinity, it becomes all fine. That is all the reality. We are having a Vedas. We are having Upanishads. Bhagavad Gita. We said so, Vedas are apaurusheyaha Vedaha. That it's not been created by any human beings. It is not the meaning like that. Because after putting this Veda, the God has not put his own name there. Because he has not put his name there, so they become an apaurusheya. We are having a fight. Always a clash, the two subjects. Some people, they claim that this word is been created by God. Another people says, no, word is been not created by God. And they keep on fighting for so many years after years. Now you ask this very humble and simple question. If the word is not been created by God, are you losing anything? Are you at loss? Sachin Tendulkar is making a double century. Do you get ice cream at night at your home? Tell me. And if Sachin Tendulkar gets a retire, do you miss your food this evening? No, I am retired. Sachin, retire, no food for you. The wife will say like that. If Sachin is playing or not playing, what it make a difference to you? This TV people and so-called newspaper people, what is their actual masala? One day, I was in someone's house. Very rarely I love to see this, all such things, and say hot news. What is a hot news? Saif Ali had a stomach ache. So from the function he was being taken to Lilavati hospital. Now Lilavati hospital के बाहर में हमारे संवाददाता खड़े हैं. अब बताओ उनको मिलने के लिए कौन कौन आ रहा है? Go to the hell. कोई मिलने आए कि जनाजा जाए. What is your achievement? Our whole life is like that. My master, Gurudev Swami Shivanand Ji Maharaj has given a very beautiful clue. How to have a excel in action. He said so, take one capsule in the morning and swallow. In the whole day, whatever you do, you will be excellent. What is that capsule? Write down. MYOB. Say MYOB. Mind your own business. When you do this much, you are happy. But you see, when you are doing your own work and divert your mind left and right and here and there, you can't. You see, the saptak is going on. It's a beautiful, I attended one day, a beautiful music was going on by Shiva Kumar Sarma ji. And Zakir Bhai was playing a tabla so beautifully, but then he realized it is not in order. So he started putting in an order, tap, 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 tap. I do like this, tap, 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 tap. And then he was not happy. He kept the tabla inside. He took, pick up another tabla. Again, tap, 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 tap. Hare. A beautiful kachari is there. There are only one santur and one tabla and one tanpura. But many a time there are 15, 20, 30, 40. I have seen a concert with 3,000 musicians at a time singing and playing. 3,000 musicians in India. Abdul Kalam Sahib was up and he says, please sing once again. And the stage, it was 5,000 people. In the front, 28 lakhs people. In Bangalore, when function was there, I had an opportunity to be on the stage. Something very interesting. But symphony was there. Harmony was there. Equilibrium was there. These words are essential for the excellence. Symphony, harmony, and excellence. I will just tell you. I hope you all know the name Khandvi. Say yes or no? Yes. But if you put little more water without a knowledge and try to make it, it becomes a locho, which is very famous in a Surat and Balsar and Bharuch. Correct? It's like that also, that there is another food is known as a sevni biranj. Medana sevno. It should become, each one should be a separate. But little more water will be there, it will become a halwa. There or not? Huh? These are all food becomes like that. Say khichdi. Say, repeat, khichdi. Khij chadi ne kari. You are not happy with the dal, not happy with the rice, you mix it both. So how the things happens, that the things goes wrong when you are not there. The two ways. One thing, if you are there, you create a problem. Another thing, when you are not there, there is no problem. The 100% that ego should be taken out. I-ness, my-ness. No, it is thy-ness. For thee only. I don't exist. It's for you only. That's a beautiful thing. That more and more you come out of the circle, the things will become more and more beautiful. Krishna said so. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. You be humble, be noble, be simple, be kind, be just, and then ask for it. The whole doors will be open. Look here. The knowledge, the excellence is standing in front of you. Who will be opening the door of the heart? You have to, door of the heart, no one can open for you. You have to open your own self. But you are standing so stiff. When you are standing so stiff, you cannot bend head down. Tell me, you are standing in front of a river. A beautiful clean water is flowing. It's a sweet water, but you stand like this. Do you think the water of the river will jump in your hand? Bend down. Kneel down. Take water and shape. Water is available. Sweetness is there. Soothing is there. All opportunity. But if you are stiff, no one can help you. You have to bow down. Then you try to understand. In each small little point in the life will bring you happiness to you. That how it's possible that more and more you try to take out the I, the ego can take it away. Desire comes because of the ego only. 16th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita said so. That so much of ego people are having. Adhyobhi, Janavanasmi, Konyosti, Sadrasho Maya. I am that, supreme. No one is like me. I have done so much of charity. I, so much. That man will have only darkness. We are talking about this Durga Saptasati. First, the Devi said, so you collect your energy, all going energy out. The Devi was not a single Devi. It's putting energy of the Brahma and the Vishnu and the Shiva and Aruna, Varuna, all gods and goddesses. You put your energy, eyes and ear and nose and hands and legs, all put in one direction. Then this energy comes. Then first thing you can kill is known as a Mahisasura. The first thing the Devi is killing like this, Mahisasura. Mahisa Asura. Mahisa is a buffalo. The demon. Who is that buffalo demon? Is our ego only. The greatest demon is within us, our ego. Ego will continue up to the last breath of our life. But then, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa said so, Kachami, Tarpore Pakami. Ego can be of the two sides. One ego, I am. What do you mean? My foot. That is your one ego. Another ego, I am your servant. Also say ego. My Master Swami Chidanji Maharaj said so. Who will be able to excel in the action? A person who can become a doormat at the doorstep of the Master. Guru na barna ma pag luchaniyu thaine ro. Then when Guru comes and goes, he keeps on rubbing the feet, then only so much of ego will go. It's a very essential factor. Said so that try to be kachami pakami. Now you see, the season is there for potato to come. Market, I believe the potato is at 20 rupees kilo. But you go to Juhapura, there everything is 10 rupees kilo. But still potatoes are 20 rupees kilo. All bhaji, giji, mula, everything 10 rupees kilo. Now there are old potatoes and new potatoes. You put them together in hot water. Then you find when a water starts boiling, it goes up and down. But they are old potatoes. They are so stiff, they will not jump along with the water. Deed bolte, deed. Anything you do, they don't have any effect. Such people cannot excel in the work. You have to be soft. You see, the one thing that we are talking about that is essential, that give up your ego. Next thing, you want to success, you work very hard. But you don't want to work very hard. Your whole problem is, why you are unhappy? My neighbor is happy, so I am unhappy. That is the whole problem. Here also Patanjali said, so, Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upekshanam, Sukha Dukkha, Punya, Punya iti. Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upeksha. To excel in the work, how you should have a kind of an attitude. Like-minded people, you be a friend to them. Maitri. Maitri means what? What is a friendship? Friendship means that not a selfish, what I will get from him. No. It is not that you make a calculation what I will get from him. No. How I can be helpful to him. That should be your attitude. Not anything to gain from him, what I can give you. My master Swami Shivananda was known as a Givananda. He was known as a Sevananda. The more you give and more you serve, more you are known for excellence in the work. One day, one young man came to Swami Vivekananda Maharaj. He came and said, Maharaj, I want to be an inmate of your ashram. Swami Vivekananda Maharaj says, all right, go to the kitchen and cut vegetable. He went, he never knew how to cut vegetable. You see, in Bengal, cutting the vegetable, there is a small little wooden stock, and like this, one cutter is there, you have to cut like this. So he injured, he said, Maharaj, eta anguli kete geche. Here is my injury. Swami Vivekananda has given him 2 paisa. 1 paisa to go home, learn cutting vegetable, another paisa to come back. Now you say so, what is the relation of a cutting vegetable with becoming a monk or to the realization of the absolute? Your concentration is lacking. Your interest is lacking. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa said so, ja meti, bhalo kore chuti korte pare, sheta bhalo kore rannao korte parbe. A girl who can cook so well, he can make his choti so well. And girl who can make a choti so well, he can cook also well, because the energy is the same, interest is the same. You have to divert from the left or a right. Ja meti bhalo kore ranna korte pare, sei meti bhalo kore dhyan jap korte pare. A lady who can do a good cooking, excellent cooking, she will be a very good meditator also. Because no cooking, a good cooking is possible without a total concentration. And concentration you need for meditation only. That excellence is what? Your total being. It's very essential. As I was talking to you, my master Swami Shivananda Maharaj, one young man came to him also. Maharaj, I want to be inmate of your ashram. Okay, what you will do? I want to be a monk. Why? To realize on the absolute. Okay, what you do? I do all service. Okay. Now you see, here is our hospital. Mr. Neelakanthan has come from Calcutta, and he is not very bright in health. So go and give him a sponge, wash his cloth, make some good phenol cleaning, and then come and report me. The moment this young clade came out of Gurudev Swami Shivananda's chamber, and he heard a ringing of the bell. Then he has asked, this bell is for what? It is a lunch time. Lunch is available from what time to what time is only one time, 11 o'clock. Then in the evening, 7 o'clock. Oh, so he said, the patient is not going to run away. Let me have my lunch. Then I will go. So he went to the dining room, and on old days, the vessels, only one thali, no katori, no glass. You eat everything and then wash in the Ganga and report it back. So after eating, when he went to wash the plate in Ganga, Ganga was so cool. Cool breeze was there. Chalo mana, Ganga, Yamuna, Tir, Sitala, Hota, Samir, and had a good nap. Had a good nap. When he was up, again there was a ball. What is this? Chai ka time. Let me have a tea and then go. So he did tea, and when he went up, he found patient is having a calm and quiet, peaceful sleep. Clothes are being washed and kept over there. Phenyl was put over there. Some instincts also was there. Then he asked some people, I was asked to do all these things. Who has done? The neighboring patient said so. Gurudev Swami Shivanji Maharaj came personally. He has done all these things. This boy was very sincere. He was a loyal and faithful. He went to Swamiji. I am sorry. Gurudev has told only one thing. God has given you an opportunity to serve Him, which you have lost. You see, when you do an action, you feel God is giving me an opportunity to do this action. Then it will be beautiful. But you want to escape, then go on.